Reproduction in organism. So last class we discussed about lifespan. What is lifespan? The period from birth to natural death of organism is called lifespan. Okay, every organism have its own lifespan. The lifespan of organism is not dependent upon its size. For example, crow and parrot are similar organisms and they both belong from the kingdom Ave. But these organisms do not have same kind of lifespan. Parrot live for 40 years and crow lives for 15 years. So by this we understand lifespan of organism do not relate with their size or habitat which they lives. Okay, every organism have their own kind of lifespan. Now, what is reproduction? Reproduction is the process in which an organism gives rise to new offspring. What are the features of reproduction? Reproduction enables continuity of life and species on earth. Reproduction enables the continuity of species and life on earth. Next feature is it shows genetic variations. It supports life on earth. अगर रिप्रोडक्शन नहीं होगा, अगर एक ऑर्गेनिज्म इस दुनिया में आया, अगर उसने अपने 1 से 2 3 नहीं किया तो अल्टीमेट क्या होगा, अर्थ पे कोई ऑर्गेनिज्म नहीं बचेगा एंड ऑर्गेनिज्म नहीं बचेगा, अर्थ पे कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म नहीं रह पाएगा, ठीक है, और पूरा अर्थ खाली हो जाएगा. सो रिप्रोडक्शन इज द बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ आवर लिविंग बींग्स. इट एनेबल्स कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ लाइफ ऑन अर्थ, इट शोज जेनेटिक वेरिएशंस, इट सपोर्ट्स लाइफ ऑन अर्थ. ठीक है, रिप्रोडक्शन जो है हमारे इस लिविंग बींग का बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है. Process of giving rise to new organism is called reproduction. Characteristic of reproduction are it enables it maintains life on earth, maintains life on earth, creates genetic variations, next is continuity of species. These are the 3 characteristics. Okay. Now, what are the features which support reproduction? The features which supports reproduction are internal physiology, environmental conditions. Okay. These are the features. Now, reproduction are of 2 types as we discussed earlier. Asexual and sexual. Now we will study in depth about sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, only one parent is involved. One parent is involved. No gamete formation. No fertilization is there. Only mitotic cell division. The organism produced by asexual reproduction are genetically and morphologically identical to their parents. So, they are identical to their parents. It's a fast process as the cell divides rapidly and they develop into a new individual. So these are the basic of asexual reproduction. What is asexual reproduction? It is a type of reproduction in which only one parent is involved with or without the formation of gametes. The asexual reproduction are most common in unicellular organisms or lower organisms, like those of amoeba, yeast, and algae. These all organisms shows asexual mode of reproduction. Organisms which belong to Protista and Moneras, cell divides very rapidly. Okay. Cell divides very rapidly and two daughter cells are formed. In lower organisms like Protista and Moneras, the cell divides very rapidly and two daughter cells are formed. Like those we will see now, budding in yeast. Budding in yeast. Suppose this is a cell. It has its nucleus here. It will divide its nucleus after some stages. A new bud will arise from here, and this was the parent cell, and a new bud has arisen from the parent cell. It's the bud. So this is cell division in yeast. Okay. Now suppose we talk about binary fission in amoeba. यहाँ हमने देखा बडिंग इन ईस्ट में कहीं से भी बड अराइज हो सकता है. द बड कुछ भी अनइक्वल हो सकता है पेरेंट से, क्योंकि बडिंग में ईस्ट में जो बडिंग होता है किसी का कोई फिक्स्ड अमाउंट नहीं होता है. ये अपने साइज अनइक्वल इनका होता है. ठीक है, इनका साइज हमेशा अनइक्वल होता है. पर बाइनरी फिजन में हमेशा डॉटर सेल्स का साइज एकदम फिक्स्ड होगा. व्हाट डू वी अंडरस्टैंड बाय द वर्ड बाइनरी? लेट्स सपोज ब्रेक द वर्ड बाइनरी. बाई मीन्स टू, सो टू डॉटर सेल विल अराइज. यहाँ पे एक बर्ड, दो बर्ड, कितना भी अराइज हो सकता है, पर यहाँ पे सिर्फ दो बर्ड ही अराइज होगा. दो मतलब दो डॉटर सेल ही अराइज होगा. बाइनरी, बाई मीन्स टू, सो टू डॉटर सेल्स विल अराइज फ्रॉम इट्स पेरेंट सेल. Suppose it's a amoeba. Cell division is taking place. The parent cell will remain same and the two new daughter cell will arise. So these are the daughter cells. इसमें हमेशा फिक्स्ड साइज का होगा और दो डॉटर सेल अराइज होगा. ठीक है, दिस इज बाइनरी फिजन इन